Hey guys, Shaph Sassy here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning back in for another review. Today, as you guys can see by the title, we will be doing episode 4 of the Social House. Now, if you guys don't know what the Social House is, yeah, you need to catch up. You live in Jamaica, you must know what that is. If you don't live in Jamaica and you watch my channel for the first time, why are you not subscribed? Hello, you need to subscribe. You need to like this video. I mean, I would love for you to like this video, so go ahead and like this video, go ahead and subscribe. And let me just fill you in, just in case you don't know what Social House is. So Social House is I'm gonna say, yes, it's a local uptown reality TV series here that Jamaica has, where I'm saying we because I feel like I'm in the show. I feel like I'm in the challenges as well with the contestants, where some contestants, social media influencers, they're all vying for $1 million in cash and prizes. I think I use that word right. Vying. Yeah man, the word right sound bright, so I'm gonna just go with the flow. Right, so the one of them are fight for $1 million and them do challenges and stuff like that. So yeah, we reached episode 4. If you have missed episode 1, 2 and 3, then you need to go catch up somewhere up here. I'll be popping them in. And yeah, so I've never watched it before and we're gonna be watching it together. So if you are a loyal subby, hello, thank you guys for coming back. And yeah, just watch this video with me while I react to everything and create excitement. I've seen, you know, the excitement I want all over social media, but I decided I'm not going to distract myself. I wanted my reaction to be here first on camera with y'all. So yeah, right there, so that's where it's gonna be. So let's head into it. So y'all remember last time when we were trying to figure out what was going on, like who was that voice? We're gonna find out right now. So let's go.
Previously on the Social House. Thank you, you're dead.
This is so extra, honestly. Whatever she got, she deserved, cause she make her fear take her over. What's it?
Mother! Oh, Jesus, may set me off! The doll thinks she should
go home.
Go home.
TC, I thought, you know, you just see her fighting people. You're not see the fighting as she at all. Like she'll do whatever it takes, you know what I mean? I not see that. I not see that from her at all. For phone this.
Wake up time. What them I've planned for with today, because my cook, my run and my drop, all them excitement there.
He's a girl love my sleep. When you send a text message and wake me up and tell me challenge time, it was just too much going through my head to be ready that early. You know what I'm saying? Good morning, influencers. Get your nightwear swag on.
And meet Rush Gam in the Social House meeting room in
20 minutes. Sharp. When I look at my phone never dip on silent, my phone always dip on silent. I don't wake me up too early. You get me, I say? I don't wake up that early, man.
I get you.
Wait 1 more minute.
Why them seeing this so dark? What is that Rush Cam is in?
Hello influencers, are you ready for this week's challenge?
I guess it don't look bad, right?
Yeah.
We are ready.
Ready like
And we're
Freddy.
pumped.
Yes,
Oh.
so you must be wondering.
I don't love it. What's in my
You
rocket?
must be wondering why you're in this outfit.
Yes.
Why are you in this outfit, child?
That's why, because I'm like,
I'm about to tell you because this week's challenge is the Boom Storytime Challenge.
When
you love how everybody just they wake up out of bed. And a full face of makeup. That's festive. I love that. I just love that. Mm.
Rush Cam told us what the
It's giving reality TV. Yeah. Yeah, you know?
Rush Cam told us what the challenge was about. I was lost because I was like, them can't possibly get to tell the best story time we could ever think about in our lifetime because that was the only thing that came to my mind. But then he mentioned Boom and I was like, one twist there.
Twist, always, yeah, with Boom.
Either some dance competition or some singing, you have to write some lyrics.
I'm not allowed to tell you anything else other than that you need to go to your rooms, sit down and wait to be called because it's an individual challenge and that's it. Boom and story time. Yes.
Normally, when Russia talks to you about a challenge, even know one bag of talking. Long sentences, story, everything. Now, all of a sudden, we're downstairs, get ready now for only hear story time. What are we supposed to do with one word, story time? So
Right.
we're gonna look at one another.
Regular middle story times for YouTube. I can match it up quick and fast. The people them someone can tell stories very well and you know with excitement. Someone say, hey man, I did this. I made me read like a book to a child. Somebody pick me, put them to sleep. Nothing too fussy, but knowing the show and the twist and turn that have happened thus far, I knew something else was awry.
A lot of things start go through my head and I say, oh, it can be this, it can be that. So they'll just try and prepare for everything, you know what I mean?
Are you excited, Prince Fan?
Yes,
This is your first challenge, you know?
Yes, it sounds explosive, you know?
Big word. Them always do this.
What? Guys, I have an update like
I feel like it's another influencer coming.
No, guys, no, seriously. The winner of this week's challenge gets $100,000. When I win the 100,000, I'm gonna put it in my piggy bank. You realize, Mr. When? I said when.
So you're confident.
That's how you manifest.
Yeah, girl.
The winner of the
Yeah, period.
100,000. Now, I'd like to say me, but I'm gonna know honestly.
It's an individual challenge, so you will not be out here all at once. You will go to your rooms and you will get your instructions individually.
I don't feel like Petite Sue, like this fit Petite Sue. She don't strike me as the storytelling chick. I know that Rohan and the other two guys, as well as China K, they're used to writing scripts. So I'm not so confident in a Petite because I'm not see her write no script. I just see her vlog and do makeup. And I'm sure there's more to her as an individual, but may I say like come up with a good catching story. Let's see. Hey, might never know, maybe she win it and girl shut me up. But me just I tell you know what I foresee, you know, like what me think. Cause you know the other one them have experience in telling stories or you know I tell jokes, so them used to write certain things and them thing there. So let's see.
Your instructions individually.
100,000 sweet in the deal though.
For now, hold on to the 90s and other things and go back to your rooms and we will discuss. That's it. Me said to come back, story time. Go and read a book, story time. Yeah.
So I have to tell like a story and then thing there.
Story time.
Story time.
So I have to tell like a story and then thing there.
Story
I
time.
read the characters.
Story time.
That's all he's gonna be telling you guys.
Story and then thing there.
Alright guys, let's go.
Yeah. Rush Cam just not for shut them up.
When Rush come back now, come back downstairs, I'ma see the book. I'ma see a pencil with a rubber on it, and I say, I hope this have nothing to do with maths. Because maths is not me. And I said, I said maths. and say story time. I said them there are two different subjects. I didn't go.
Right.
Alright.
I thought like English or literature and maths.
For this challenge, you'll have to write and perform the Jamaicanized version of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. When you tell me the details of the challenge, may I say, twinkle twinkle. You have to include the following words. Energy, sleep. You know, write it down.
Oh, Jesus.
Outside.
Wow.
And Pisheng Weng Weng. You know, son, I run some serious joke.
And I run some big serious joke.
Sheng Wing Wing.
Sheng Wing Wing.
P-E-S-H. Sheng.
God, rush come and struggle.
Eng.
Weng. Weng.
Wang. W-N-G.
Pisheng Weng Weng.
Me just right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Pisheng Weng Weng. So you'll be judged based on 3 things. Creativity, overall performance, and lyrics.
When I heard what the challenge was, I was like, it's too easy.
Mom!
You remember Shina? You remember Shina?
Mother is in my room coming out her ear. Yes, I'm just see for the ear look cool.
Girl, for Shine tomorrow. Tomorrow, I'm Miss Hammond's birthday. So,
Was that a birthday?
yeah.
What we doing?
Well, I'm going to pay for this something for you yesterday.
With something?
From 8 to 3, can you say now? I'm just over it.
Anyways, that is just sitting in our corner. Back to the show, guys.
Like cool as a cucumber, you get me I say?
You'll have 15 minutes to create your song and then you'll perform it on the boom stage.
On the boom stage.
Alright, son. Not really right song.
But Twinkle Twinkle I know one long nursery rhyme. And then all me I go mats up on, you know, showing some of them words here. But the thing about me is, if you've been following me over the years, there's a girl on my page called Patricia. And she writes songs, right? Yeah, me write them. So if you never, me write them. If I have a ghost write song, me write them. Your song or your nursery rhyme must be to the rhythm of the Social House jingle. Who will rule the Social House? Who will rule the Social House? Who will rule the Social House? What will the millions in them account? Yeah. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. What? Another style, man. The time starts now.
Right and made something from out of the top of our head 15 minutes. I don't know if I did like that, but I write down a thing and I do the best, write to the best of my ability. We'd have to include some words, the twinkle twinkle like a star. We'd have to think and remember how that go because it's been a while, you know what I'm saying, and your girl ain't got no kids yet.
This is easy, it's too easy, and I mean, better than you make me draw or something, you know, give the rest of contestants, my little friends over there, a better chance. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I'm thinking zone.
Alright, yeah, man.
Yeah, so some just need some quiet.
Space.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, run him. I run him too, because you have to take my 15 minutes. It's already not even enough.
What you have so far, Sue? How it go?
The pressure with partner gonna mix. Here, so the pressure with partner gonna mix.
You think them love.
Chanky, how it go?
I try to.
I haven't heard it.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, my just getting out the part. Energy of vibes me, you're the sky. Star.
It's gonna sound full.
Shut me up, right? That's so.
Unless me drop in something right, that's an extra word.
Getting 15 minutes to write a song,
It's ridiculous.
kinda challenging.
Them rating ya.
I guess that's why it's a
So
challenge.
remember, you have to have all the words here.
Yeah, man, I them ya look on.
Alright, and we're judging you for performance, so make sure you have a little creative performance. You can boom flick, you can split, you can everything.
Stop distract me.
Right, let's go. You don't run him too. Why rush cam take up with time? Hello, rush cam, we don't have the time for waste. waste.
Oh, I can't.
You know them bright people in a class where bright and them just waste everybody else's time in a class and say you are done spot, and me I don't spot you, and when exam time come, them bright spots it up and you don't like but feel it is and then pass it and then been wasting your time. That is rush cam. Rush cam don't have no challenge, you know. Me that done him just like how Petit two done him. Oh, why you take up my time, sir? Sir? No. No. Let's go. Right.
Oh, I can't repeat. Oh, I get it. I can't repeat the song. Oh, but it's a time too. Alright. We're not enough for writing music. Alright, so look upon the lyrics. So go Google. It's the times two. It means repeat. So I'm alright.
Can't even.
Perry, I think God should go with him. Come and I'll go. Perry, you probably might come second or third. How is it going?
I take my done.
Exam.
Yeah.
Pow.
Well, I practice it first, though, for rehearse.
You want to rehearse it for me? Give me a piece.
We can go for big yard.
No,
We want to look students to that mind. No, we can't give a piece.
Yeah, get him on please. Oh what?
I can't do Perry.
I know, right?
You have 10 minutes left.
Watch it.
Him just
How are you feeling?
Oh, Jesus.
me not ignoring box cover. Him now answer.
Yes. Me like you.
Don't up him no man fat skull.
You have 10 minutes left. Moments into completing my song, one of the producers thought I was actually cheating.
But you asked.
No, I didn't ask.
You asked. And you showed the message.
I didn't.
I can't know. Wait, what people want me to help?
No, but I said no.
All that. No. After you know that order? No. How much time you get? 10 minutes.
But whenever you
Start.
I will just put in my material in one place so I can quickly maneuver over it without wasting time like how I did in the kitchen. But just take a picture of it, we show the thing and the look funny so we have to flip over the game at each time. We literally never be a set loser or just take it and have it here in the time. Sure, so I know the look. Like, we just never want to go to the page. Shit, let me lose 100,000.
That's so risky.
Introducing the first contestant of Boom Storytime Challenge. You won, the only White Perry.
Hurry, have a look at better do.
Ready out. What is the Social House? White Perry? Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Or you're gonna sleep wherever you are. Up and outside, the world so high. Full of energy, in the sky. I say twinkle, twinkle, little star. Or you're gonna sleep wherever you are. Up and outside, the world so high. Full of energy, in the sky. I say fishing, wing, wing. What was that? Fishing, wing, wing. What was that? Fishing, wing, wing. What was that? Vote for me. Social House. I'm not gonna lie, after my performance, I feel very great.
Of course, why not?
You can book me for future performances. I'm available to do anything. Weddings, bar mitzvahs, PTA meetings, anything, a round robin, anything I keep, and we could get together. It could be 5 or 3 people. I will perform and perform like this thing.
My mind was kind of all over the place, but I had like a basic idea of a couple moves that I wanted to do. It was pretty simple for me in that aspect. Pretty simple. I mean, yeah.
Up next, we have contestant number 2.
Should I just show me up right or so?
Of YouTube, Petite Sue.
Get your shoes.
Run the track. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, my just getting at the part. Energy and vibes me at the star. Catching when we are bring vibes. Our outside, I'm a outside, I'm a stay fly. My style on fleek, coming out, take no sleep. Me I done what's some me up to bring the heat.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Hey, hey. Come on, 5 steps now. Yeah, girl. Exit.
I'm feeling no.
Stage left.
I'm basically just, I don't know what I'm up against, but I feel pretty good in what I did in the time that I got, you know, and
True.
hope that it's the winning performance.
It's
you know?
not. Okay, I'm disgusting, but let me say, she mess up and she come back good though. Like, if some people that have no sense, they would pick up say she did miss the couple beats right there, so and then she did try to make it up, but she did well, and then she do a little performance. Rohan never do nothing like that, so you know, say she probably come in a one better number than him. So that was a bad petite. She shot me up right there, so right there, sir.
Gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. The one, the only contestant number 3. Whenever go with them
In my head,
My
they
girl
said
turn her back.
choreography is part of it. In my head, you could have tell me, so me never did a move like Beyonce. Not Michelle, but Beyonce.
Oh God, shade.
Yup, you already know. You don't know China K in the building.
Yeah, girl.
You already know it's the Social House. I'm gonna tell you what I'm up now. Mr. Sparkle, Mr. Little Bro.
Oh, she's trembling. She's so nervous. Oh, girl. You'll be fine. Let's just hope she'll be fine.
Star, outside, oh yes we are. Up in a Jamaica and yes we're so high. Pushing, wang, boom, energy and vibe. Social house, full of energy and vibe. Who I gonna take it? Now must Team China K upon the energy and vibe. Don't mistake because what? You know, sparkle like a little brown star. Outside, yeah, yes we are. Pushing, wang, full of energy and vibe. Jamaica we set and we out there star. Yeah, sparkle, full of energy.
She should have said Jamaica with it, and you know me outside, because you have to use a word, though. Me not irritate.
Yeah. I just want you guys to know that I did my best, and what was going on in my head was Beyonce. I don't know how it looked to Uno, but I was going for more like a Beyonce kind of thing, Kelly, Rihanna, but...
Nah, let me tell you something. What me did love about China K performance. China K studied the word. She studied the word then. You know, like Crystal and I'm telling you to study the word. She studied the word. Hello, good girl. You come right out. Everybody else look on paper. Everybody else look on book. You're swift and you're fast and your head can hold things. My head. She get that over there. One thing she never move. So you know, say Petite get the look of move, and Petite I get the part in a performance, because you know she the only one I see perform so far. Creativity, I guess, should I get that too. Especially for the Pesheng Wing part. But Perry look like him never know where to put Pesheng Wing and him just start Pesheng Wing all over the place and just start repeat, report. That's my take so far. But them not doing bad. China K is very nervous though. We can saw that. But
it's too easy, you know what I mean? It was like,
we look how him confident. But him an artist.
It's time, people, for the world
But I say
premiere,
I'm an
the
artist.
debut of contestant number 4, Prince Pie.
Yo, Social House, what I go on? Turn up my mic there. Hello? Yeah. When I'm trying to ready?
Ready long time.
Alright.
Ready.
Mix me DJ. What me say?
Yeah.
Hey, me say, twinkle twinkle, little little. Man a star, every girl want fiddle. We outside, we up above. Just look out, but fly like doves. Me say, twinkle twinkle.
Okay,
little
repeat
little.
it.
Energy. She's a nizzle.
Okay.
Twinkle twinkle. Inna the niggle. Me no sleep. Flip me nipple. Hey, everybody knows that me no big friend have a girl in my room me ear. Pasha wang. Everybody knows that me no big friend have a girl in my room me ear. Pasha wang. Shizzle. Twiddle. She's a manizzle. Little. She's a...
Yeah. Perform.
I'm out. Better
Alright.
give me something different. Give them something different than this. That's my challenge. Again, give me something different. You can't draw. So he's going to try like a thing and everybody will have like at least the same level, you know what I mean?
Right. No.
You guys really messed up with this one.
True, but not like him look like him have it, guys. Because look, him never looking at the book, right? He never really, well, I'm not gonna say I'm never looking at it, but you know, for the last part, it look like him really study the, you know, the little, just a little, whatever him did I talk about. And I love the part where I talk about the girl in the bed, I talk about Pesheng Weng. Like, that's different. I know I'm gonna get performance, I know I'm gonna get creativity. Definitely. So, great job, Prince Fan, because that was different. Let's hear what Fat Skull is, because, you know, Fat Skull is the underdog. Nobody really believes in Fat Skull. That's what I think. Fat Skull, I believe in you. Right? I believe in you, Fat Skull. If no one else, I do. Alright. Fat Skull looks stressed out though. Oh my god.
I can't believe you've done this. I didn't use any herb. What is the herb I use?
No, sir! I am so excited to welcome the next contestant number 5, the one, the only.
The scarf grew up on me, they.
Yo, Jamuran. Twinkle, little stars, me have enough energy like my car. What is no? Twinkle, little stars, me have enough energy like my car. What is sleep outside with the stars? See, no in a broke down car. Outside, fashion wing with the dog then. Yo, what? No! Cut this! Ready again. Twinkle, little star. Me have enough energy like my car. What is sleep outside with the stars? Tata broke down car. Pressure wang. Outside. With my friend then. I'm not joking. Skull swing, everything is there. Yeah. I never brush my hair, but me look, yeah, so there. I'm not joking.
It is a joke.
My outside, drop the mic, boom, explosion.
Fat Skull. Fat Skull.
You know, as an artist,
Right.
sometimes
You
the
have to improvise.
DJ is going to play the music too loud or too high. You have to just take up back the mic and start perform. You know, whole heap of time artists want to give up on the stage and then just boom it up right after. So
Fat Skull.
So now for the punchline of the story time, who will win $100,000?
This is it though, right? They don't have no twist.
Actually, there's a good twist. The person who wins the fan favorite vote of this portion of the competition will get $20,000. Yeah. So viewers, if you're watching, go over to the socialhouseja.com
Go over.
on premiere night and vote for your favorite story time. Alright, so we have that out of the way. Now for the points. Who will win $100,000. In 5th place,
Fat score.
with 14.5 out
camera.
of 30.
This is a
Remember,
shit
you are
camera.
marked for performance, lyrics, and creativity. 14.5 out of 30.
Fat score.
Fat score.
You know. You know too.
God no again. God no.
I came first already. I'm sure I'm gonna do it again.
Yeah.
You know, so until then, I just go and chill.
Yeah.
See it.
Perry,
Alright,
you're
here
going to
what?
stop. You're going to stop bullying your friends.
I'm not bullying him, but first of all, no more challenge you do at all.
Yeah. The all.
Oh, so old dog.
Yeah. When you go outside, the outside win.
Whenever they expect Fat Skull to come dead last door.
Why?
Again.
But the more
No,
things
are
change,
you-
the more
if
they
I'm a fat
remain
skull,
the
are you-
same because
So-
in 4th place is Quiet Perry with 22 out of 30.
I don't feel like someone come second to last again because
Second to last. Okay. Alright. Me tell you no. Says me tell you who might win. Well, it's sticky because only 2 people performed for we. And that was Prince Pine and that girl there, what she named Petite. So any one of them there win. No. Shiny K come next, watch. Cause she never perform.
because slow and easy does it. You understand? We're not watching the face, we're not watching the point.
Very never tried.
Yet. But make sure to go vote for me for fan favorite.
Oh, yeah,
We want the
kind
20
of
grand.
$20,000.
In 3rd place, we have
Coin. Shiny K.
Shiny K.
But no, tell you, I want to tell you.
Bronze.
Yeah,
Bronze.
tell you.
But you got 23 out of 30, so
Yeah.
you beat him by 1. Yeah.
She never perform. And you know, Shiny K can't move.
Look at that time.
Shiny K body good, but she can't. You know? And that's okay.
So that means
She have personality.
that the top 2
New kids on the block.
Alright, let me tell you. Who might win? It might be Prince Pine who win this. Cause Prince Pine have more personality than Petite. So you know it come through in the performance. I don't know why I'm so big on performance, but you know that's and the lyrics were good too. You know? As she did slip up, a Prince Pine a win. As she slip up. Anyway, it's a Prince Pine.
Come on, strong on this first episode.
Not wrong.
Go that Perry.
Can't underestimate.
Nothing, no way.
Me tell you.
A Prince Pine a win.
Never give a time to shine.
So, okay, alright, so
Yeah, we
let's
know
get
palm
this,
pints.
let's get
Remember
this.
that no point.
Let's get this, right there. So, let's get this.
You just going to give him $100,000? Okay, or give her $100,000?
I am. See, Rush can
Not
just
bad
beat
for the
it.
2 new
I'm win.
hostess, right, guys? Petite and Pine to come out on top while the OGs corner around at the back part.
Second place has 25 out of 30. And 1st place has 27.5 out of 30.
One for the artists.
So,
I win.
One for the artists.
in 2nd place with 25 out of 30, we have
Petite.
Roll the Perry, let's go there, roll the drum.
Petite too. No,
one
that.
last time. Petite
Duh.
too.
Duh. Yeah, girl. Yep.
So
Anyway.
the winner of the Boom Storytime Challenge and the person who walks home with $100,000 the first time is Prince Pine.
That's awesome.
I'm feeling really good that I came second.
How I feel winning the challenge, you know, I'm quite elated, you know. You see it.
It's like you look for them words in the dictionary before you come on the show and just decide to just roll them out. I'm being disgusted. I'm sure Prince Pine's vocabulary is up there, so let's not be disgusted.
Just here, humble as our humble again. I don't remember, but I'm humble as whatever is
Alarm.
Fine, just remember say.
No.
From far.
No,
Remember say I'm my title about.
Delete. Delete!
Prince Pine advised me, said China can't watch the face, come and bang up your toilet. And I'm like, what the hell? I'm like, you know, when you gotta go, you gotta go. And I said, hun, listen. He said him have running belly, and I said, you know, we all have fish.
Here I go on. When you just reach in, run going to the bathroom, right? I realize no tissue never in my bathroom. You see me? I go in there just to check and see if tissue in our bathroom, so I just take it up and use it.
Put the shit all you.
It's too late. Ready now?
Yeah, ready.
Alright.
Yeah.
Yo, fat skull.
Yo.
Charlie K, Petty
Yeah.
Soup. Fly Perry.
Alright.
What am I say now?
Yeah.
Alright. What am I say? Me say, twinkle, twinkle, little. Man a star, every girl want fiddle. We outside, we up above. Just look how I fly like dove. Me say, twinkle, little. Energy. She's on my nipple.
Pine song.
You should be money for.
So I give that to him. He
Yeah.
did well.
That is Pine. You know, the artist. Pine.
Exactly.
Twinkle, little. Man a star,
Hey.
every girl want fiddle. Twinkle, play with me nipple. Hey.
I want to give him a nipple. Woo! That was good. He deserves it.
Yes, mommy?
Mommy?
What you do?
Mommy's fine.
But just replace some of the words. Let's remember the song and it's the song. And the two little woman that was it. Enjoy the song.
What you do?
Try the dirt wolves.
Try the dirt. Oh, that match it for two. That match it for two now. That match it for two. Dirt bong. That match it really for two.
Oh yeah, but what your ears?
You hear your scream from way upstairs in my sleep.
Twinkle, little star. We have energy like me car.
No, I bet this ever true?
It is like. Why am I keeping with the Hey, let me tell you something, you see? When me and Perry in high school, you want give Perry one joke in a Perry. Hey, oh God, man, me I tell you, Perry laugh with him whole soul in a man. And you can't help but laugh after Perry, I told you. Don't make Perry laugh after you in a high school. You're gonna hate him. Alright, but just I tell you. That's how bad it was. Like, his laugh is so contagious. Like, even if you never want to laugh, you're gonna laugh. Because you see Rohan, him just like dead. If him could have rolled in the car key, I might have broke him with a roll. Nah lie. Oh God.
What kind of care that?
Hit Rohan. Oh my God.
What the Africa star?
Alright, your turn. Your time for shine. Ready?
Twinkle, little stars. We have enough energy like me car. What is sleeping outside with the stars? Sleep not in a it that broke down car.
Sleep not in that brought down.
Yeah, but like.
You just move! Move!
You use regular car. And then broke down cars like energy car and then a broken down car. I got it. It was funny. The car and then like in a car, fast, speed, and then the car broke down. That means you're slow and you're tired.
I need to sleep.
So, yeah, I got it. Big up Fox.
But I'm get it
So
after the fact.
What will I do later?
Then we
Like?
just finish it and say twinkle, twinkle, but I'm a star.
What the rest? Come on, man. We got work with it this whole time.
No, man.
We are
bro, and
going to celebrate the artist
sweat.
win. We're gonna have some wine. We're gonna have some food. We're gonna have some calamari. We're gonna have the expensive red and white wine, courtesy of the new artist from the Social House, the $100,000 man. Just be and put on your clothes, and we is ready. Okay? We're ready. We're gonna dig
I will not see my
We're
money.
ready. We're hungry. Wings and fries. Okay? Yeah. Wait. Wings, fries.
Them could have never see my money. Mad? Hello? The AC Hotel. Why them look nice, see? Oh, that Miss Dana. Oh, trying to get you such a pretty girl. Baller! Y'all love shape now? The girl.
On the next episode of the Social House.
All of a sudden I hear clam, clam.
I
Come down the stairs. I mean, I said to myself, sir, every second in ditch way.
In ditch way.
Ditch
We have
way.
plans to make plans.
No, we know why am I ditch for
Oh,
the
may I
brown
pick up
foot
a-
girl.
No cameras, please.
Hashtag, who is the brown foot girl?
Who I get the millions in them account?
You know, so Prince Pine is the door. Prince Pine came. Prince Pine bring one of the people them house. Not big people at the end of the day, you just have to do what not do. Anyways, that was my predictions. I'm nobody predict right because I mean I'm good at predicting stuff like that, you know, like performance is my thing. Like I can pick up realness, I can pick up, you know, if I sang on the bus, yeah, we can pick up certain things. But yeah, I like this challenge. I thought the time was a bit too short, but I guess that's why it is a challenge. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Who you guys thought should have won. I really feel like who won it should have won. Prince Pine deserved it. Him come with the performance, originality, and you know, him are the artist in the park, nothing wrong, hello. So I love that. But yeah, I really enjoyed this one. I laughed, and Rohan, you need to take time to laugh for the people then because you're real disgusting. Like you're a throw up disgusting. Like come on, have some decency for people them sure. Why I feel laugh for the people them like this? You can't change. No man. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and make sure to subscribe to the video. Hello? What you waiting on? Thank you. Bye guys. See you in my next video. You didn't have to, but you did, and I'm super grateful.